Hello everyone. Start off by drawing a circular shape, and then once you are done with this, add the hair to it. Then add a small little laughy or smiley face in the middle of this, draw on the rest of the body, and then proceed to draw on the hands. Add a cylindrical shape in the middle of the hands, and then draw on the pants. At the top of this, add on the hair. Connect to the cylindrical shape a broom-like shape. Now take a crayon, we have chosen the color red, and then shave off a bit of it. Using your fingers, make a circular shape out of it. Then at the top, add a little bulbous shape to it as such. Then add the eyes at the top. Add it at the top as such, and then draw two antennae. Draw a line down the center, and then draw these circular shapes on either side. Then draw on the legs as such. Take a piece of paper and then tear off a bit of it. Now, once you're done with this, start off by randomly tearing it off. Take a pencil and then shave off a bit of the pencil on a circular sheet of paper. Spread it out as such using the markings that you have created. Then it should look like a mountain-like shape. Make sure that you have enough pencil shavings. Now once again, make an ovular shape at the bottom using your randomly cut out pieces of paper and then trace it out as such. Do the same at the top as well. At the bottom, make a small little tree and then draw on some birds. Take a stencil and then make a circular shape out of it. Draw on some goggles to the circular shape as well. Draw on the markings on the side of these goggles and then draw some eyes in the middle of them. Draw on the rest that is needed to make it look like a helmet. Then, drawing a head shape at the bottom, connect it and make it a body. Draw on the hands, make it look like the body is waving, and then add some legs to it. This will be a snowsuit. Next, start off by drawing on the number 6. Then add small little eyes to it as such. Draw on a small little beak and then draw the wings to it as well. Draw the wings on the other side as well, and then draw a small little V shape out of it. Take a little branch and then attach it to the beak as such. Now take a marker and draw a W shape out of it. However, this is more questionable. Instead of this, draw multiple V shapes. Draw 3 of them, one in reverse, and then connect it as such. Now you have yourself a 3D W shape. Make the small lines and then using a marker, color it in as shown. Be careful where you color it in, as this is what adds to the 3D effect. Next, take a glowy marker and then draw the number 2 together as such. Draw 4 2s again. At the top, add a somewhat circular shape and then add a little beak to it. Add a little branch. Then add another line right underneath that one. Draw the little tail as well and then draw the legs of this bird. At the top, draw another bird using the other 2s that you have created. Thank you for watching.